Romania, the land of negative stereotypes. You might think of Dracula, gypsies, but you probably haven't heard a full story. From the incredible landscapes to our welcoming people and rich culture, we're one of the most vibrant countries in Europe. Romania has the most beautiful waterfall in the world, Europe's second largest underground glacier, the Danube River, which forms the best preserved European delta. 2,000 square miles of rivers, canals, marshes, and over 5,000 species of plants and animals. The Carpathian Mountains, which are home to one of the largest virgin forests in Europe. 400 unique species of mammals, including wild horses, and 60% of the European brown bear population. How would you like to see these landmarks and experience Romania's greatest traditions whilst being adventurous? Velo Vacation was founded on a deep passion for cycling and Romania's natural beauty. We are true believers of experiencing every place as if you were a local. That's why we are introducing cultural cycling tours to you, people that cherish memories rather than just pictures. I quit my 9-to-5 job in London at a big technology company to make a charitable bike ride across Europe through 10 countries to reach my hometown in Transylvania. On my travels, I was surprised to discover how little people knew about Romania, and made it my mission to show people how beautiful and cultural Romania is whilst experiencing and enjoying themselves. That's why I have created more than 4 tours to suit your needs, from visiting Transylvanian castles with the dark legends of Dracula's tale, to experiencing the winding tracks of the remote locations in the Carpathian Mountains, to relaxing in natural thermal baths and luxurious spas. More than that, Velo Vacation is all about connecting you to our true core. You might drink and dine with locals in remote villages, where people still use horses to go around and work the land. You don't have to worry if you're not an everyday cyclist. The range of relaxing tours on flat surfaces to extreme mountain biking, we have all your needs covered. Our cycling holidays are meant to immerse you in the full Romanian experience, whilst having the biggest smile on your face. Leave the planning to us, and we will leave the fun to you. With an all-inclusive service starting from $5.99, we will make sure that your holiday is unforgettable. So what are you waiting for? Visit our website to find the perfect tour for you. We will personalize it for your needs. And if you recommend a friend to come with you, you'll both get a full spa treatment on your arrival. It's not just a cycling trip, it's the full Romanian experience.